brown stew chicken loaded fries, people. Look at that. Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing and hit that like button and get the video moving. Today, people, we are making brown stew chicken loaded fries. That is it for your brown stew chicken loaded fries. You're going to have to excuse me because my head's not all there tonight. It's late. I thought, you know what? We've had a lot of requests for brown stew chicken again. So let's put a little twist on it. Brown stew chicken loaded fries. You're going to need chicken, obviously. I'm using fries. Fries. Yeah, I should have made them myself, but it's just fries. It's not that deep. For your seasoning for your brown stew chicken, you're going to need some all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning, some browning, some red pepper, some onion, some garlic, scallion, thyme. Got a little carrot there as well. These peppers we're not going to use for the actual brown stew chicken. They're going to be used for the garnish for the loaded fries afterwards. You're going to need some cheese. You're going to need some tomato ketchup, some mayonnaise. That is there for the loaded fries. But we're going to show you what we're going. First of all, we're going to chop up this chicken first and foremost. All right, chicken's chopped up, people. Make sure you clean it, obviously. You know what I'm saying? Chicken seasoning, Maggi. We're gonna use some all-purpose, easy spice, and a little bit of browning as well. That is it, people. I've got my chicken seasoning, my all-purpose, and just added the browning. So we get this all mixed around nicely. That is it, people. All right, second step now, we're gonna fry this off for 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, we're gonna fry this off. Whilst we're waiting for the oil to heat up in the pan, we're gonna get our seasonings ready. What we're gonna chop up first is the onion, the scallion, the garlic, and the thyme. Yes, you wanna fry this off for about 5 to 10 minutes, sealing them flavors, you understand? Yeah, man. All right, let's get the onion, the scallion, and the garlic ready. Yes, onion, scallion, thyme, and garlic. I nearly forgot about that, people. I'm gonna chuck this in now. It's been about 5-10 minutes. That is it, people. That is it. Get all them vegetables in there. Give that a mix round, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave a couple of the scallion just for the little topping afterwards, but we'll get the rest of this in there. Last thing, Scotch bonnet, of course. I forgot to show you that at the beginning. Now we're gonna just leave this to sweat and build up its own juice. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, once we build up a little bit more juice in there, we're gonna add a little bit of tomato ketchup. Yeah, but not yet. We're gonna let the juice build up first. So we're gonna put the lid on and cover it up and make it go on. Yeah, I tell ya, fully active cook and vibe. So I nearly forgot. At this point, you want to put this stuff in as well. So you want to chop up your carrot, chop up your red pepper. I am going to save a little bit of this red pepper for the garnish afterwards as well. And peppers are in. Give this a mix round. And now we're going to leave it build up some juice. That is it. Oh, got a bit of juice building up now, people. We're gonna add some tomato ketchup, just like a little like a tablespoon. Fully acting, father, hear that? So that is the brown stew chicken, pretty much done. That's on. That's all good. The next thing we're gonna do, people, is get our little garnishes that we're gonna be using for the loaded fries up next. You understand? If you ain't subscribed already, please do the right thing. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button and get the video moving. It really does help, people. Fully active. As you can see, red, green, and yellow. Nice little colors for the loaded fries. You know what I'm saying? That's the piece of red pepper I've got left over. This is our little garnish plate. That's a bit of the scallion that I had left over. So we're gonna chop up the rest of these peppers and use this as the garnish. That's it, people. Red, green, and yellow. Yeah, me tell ya. We've got a little bit of scallion there. So this is what we're gonna be using for the garnish for our loaded fries. But we're also gonna do some other garnishes as well. So let's get them ready as well. We're gonna grate up some cheese and get that ready. We've got our cheese, we've got our garnishes. We are nearly set to go, people. It is now time to put on them fries. The brown stew chicken has been cooking for about a good half an hour. Maybe more than that. Because I want it to be nice and succulent and falling off the bone. You know what I'm saying? Because we're going to shred the chicken up. We soon reach there. Cook and vibe. You hear me? I tell you. Fully active in the kitchen. You know everything go already. You know the code go already. Only positive vibes. No negativity. Not one of them YouTube channels where you go over there and they're talking madness about each other and they're cussing at each other and he's talking about them and then... No. Positive energy only. Cook and vibes. You know what? So let's get the fries on now. What I'm gonna do next, people. Yes, I do use cheap mayonnaise. And what? We're gonna make like a little coleslaw. So we're gonna wash and grate up this carrot. And then we're gonna add some mayonnaise, a little bit of salt, and a little tiny bit of lime juice. And then we're just gonna put that aside as another garnish. Yeah, I tell you, we are fully active today in the kitchen. Go, people. All mixed around, little bit of lime juice, little bit of salt, mayonnaise, good to go. We've got a coleslaw, we've got garnish, we've got cheese. That is it. We're gonna keep the mayonnaise handy because we're gonna need that again. Fully active, people, look at that. The brown stew chicken is ready. So what we're gonna do now is we wanna take all the chicken off the bones, get rid of all the bones, and then leave all the chicken in there with the vegetables and the nice gravy, you understand? Just to show you, say, we'll heap of gravy there in there. See it there? Woo! Good vibes. So right now, people, just separating the chicken from the bone, because we want to get rid of the bone. You see like that? Let's get the chicken off the bone and get rid of the bone. Is it me? A bit of chicken left on there. Yep. So all of this should be just shredded chicken and no bone in there whatsoever. You know what I'm saying? But we shall continue. I'm not going to bore you with this. Cook and vibes. Fully out in my father. Yeah, Dad. Look at that, people. Ooh. No bones whatsoever, but we've got the flavour from when we cooked it in the bone. You know what I'm saying? That is it, people. All right. It's time to load up the fries. First thing, people, we're going to get some cheese early on in there. You know what I'm saying? Our good vibes. Next, we're going to go for the brown stew chicken to go on top. That's it. Look at that, people. Now we're going to garnish it with the red, green, and yellow and the scallion. You know what I'm saying? Jeez. Look at that, people. All right, now we're going to get some of the coleslaw in each four corners. Finish off with a little bit more cheese, people. That is it. I'm nearly dribbled then. My mouth's watering. Oh my God. And a little bit of mayonnaise to finish it off. There you go, people. Brown stew chicken. Loaded fries. Look at that. people, look at that. Taste time, people. Let's get into this loaded fries with the chicken. Wow. That is so good. Wow. Chips with the chicken. Peppers, cheese. Yo! That is a mad thing. Believe me, people. This is a special one. I'm telling you. People, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Brown stew, chicken loaded fries. Seen these loaded fries all over the place. So I thought, you know what? Let me give it a go. And it turned out really well. Yo, you can try it yourself. You know what I'm saying? You can mix it up and use some different things. You understand? If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Hit that like button and get the video moving. And you can hype up the video as well. Yeah, so hype up the video, like the video, share the video, all that good stuff. People, I'll see you soon. Bless up.